Welcome, PGCPS scholars. Are you ready to turn your summer reading into a 73-mile virtual road trip? This website is your home base for the Read Across PGCPS Summer Reading Adventure. Let's look at how to navigate your journey. First, right here at Step 1, you can watch the virtual adventure tutorial. It's a quick video that explains exactly how your reading minutes help you to explore the county. In Step 2, you will get your most important tool, the Adventure Roadmap. You will click this link to download and print your log. This is where you track your books and your miles. Remember the magic math. For every 5 minutes that you read, you will earn 1 mile. If you get stuck, feel free to use this quick math reference guide right here on the page. Once you have earned enough miles to reach a landmark, you can move to Step 3. Click the image to launch the Google Earth Companion tool. You can virtually walk through all 11 locations, like the Dinosaur Park and the Bowie Railroad Museum. Clicking this icon would allow you to see the blue pathway, which will allow you to see each location at street level. You can also click on the fun links here to see images from each site and to learn more cool facts about each location. At the end of the summer, it will be time to claim your credit. In Step 4, you will fill out the final reading log form. You will need to upload a photo of your paper map by August 25th, 2026. This will help your school to compete for the PGCPS Championship Award. If you have any questions, any point during this adventure, there is a list of frequently asked questions here at the bottom. Remember, your daily routine, students, is to read a great book, ebook, or audiobook each day. Then you will log and record the title of your book and the minutes on your printed roadmap. Remember to calculate your minutes or miles by dividing your minutes by 5 to get the miles that you need for this challenge. If you have an opportunity, feel free to visit each one of these locations to celebrate your milestones. And lastly, don't forget to upload your printed reading log at the end of the summer. Happy reading, scholars, and enjoy reading across PGCPS this summer.